Okay, Millionaire Mafia members, I'm going to very quickly show you how to use these bridge pages that I've put together. Ben's, asked me to help the gang out, and you're probably, well, not probably, you're watching this video here. Obviously, this is the old Millionaire Mafia bosses video currently, because I'm still editing the page. And all you're going to do is obviously watch the end of this video, don't go jumping ahead, etc, etc. And I'm just going to show you how you can implement the bridge pages and start driving traffic to those bridge pages, capturing the data yourself, adding them into your own autoresponder, and then still forwarding them onto your unique affiliate URL, so they're cookied then to you. So that's the key. That's what we want to do for you guys. So down below you're going to see I've done 5 bridge pages currently. I've got another 2 coming. I know it says 6 coming soon to a cinema near you. So all you need to do is go and click on each one. Download bridge, download bridge, download bridge, download bridge. So let me just show you how that will work. And this is a good test. I click on that. Okay, so that's fine. ClickFunnels has still got me logged in, even though I'm logged out. So because obviously I'm in Ben's ClickFunnels account here, as you can see, that's just automatically going to upload it into my funnels area. Bish bash bosh, you've got that snipped video bridge page. Okay, so let's stick with that for the moment. So if you've already got a ClickFunnels account, this is where it's going to take you. Click on view funnel. And as you can see, it's just a 1-page funnel, because the second page is going to be your affiliate link. So let me show exactly. Now again, change all of the names in here. So for anyone that's completely new, you just want to come in here first and click publishing. You're going to add the domain, which you would have added up here, which is custom domains. This will take you 5-10 minutes. So if you haven't already got your domain being used anywhere, i.e. like a WordPress site, go and follow these instructions. You'll use the free Cloudflare hosting, and then that means that you can, as we've done here, you'll have a drop down then with your domain. So we've got millionairemafia.co here. This is just for your viewing, so this is just what shows here. No one else sees that. And then this is what will be / whatever you put here. So edit these yourself, but I've made these so they're nice and obvious. You can see if it's got a duplicate in ClickFunnels, it will add a load of text at the end, but let's ignore that for the moment. And you're also then going to want to come down to the little cog and do the same thing here. So millionairemafia.co, I'm just going to leave that with the ugly URL, but change that. So this would then be the URL that you would share either on your bio, etc. So you can see why it's really important that this / is not big, long and ugly like I've made it. Okay, so let's have a quick look at this one here. So you can either copy and paste that, or you can click this button here or this button, and it'll just preview it. So I've created a little video here. Obviously this is Ben's video, and I've just added some text across the top of it. Now this is the one I think that Ben isn't that fond of, and I'll show you why in a minute. So as you can see, this gives a little snippet of Ben's training, and then at the end it asks them if they want to watch the full training now. Now obviously if they click on that, enter their name and email, that's going to be integrated to your autoresponder, so you've now got their name and email. Okay, and save me adding my details in there again. I'll show you in here now. This is where you're going to go and add your personal affiliate link. Everything in here it can stay the same unless you want to add your own video. That's fine. This will open up the pop-up, which is obviously here. And again, I'm going through this very, very quickly, but please pause it, stop, implement as you go. You're going to want to add your integration here. So this is where you're going to want to be using something like ClickFunnels, GetResponse, Aweber, Infusionsoft, or you can use Actionetics if you want to go for the $297 a month package, and it gives you all integrated inside. So again, without spending hours and hours and hours, in the main dashboard area on the top right hand corner, you just go to integrations and you just follow the instructions again. You know, I would guess for even someone who's brand spanking new, 30 to 40 minutes you'll have your custom domain set up, and then you'll also have your integration set up. So then when you come in here, when you go to integrations, obviously you can see here I've got 3 different integrations here in Ben's. Well, one's just the generic. We've got Actionetics, and we've linked up Infusionsoft, which is obviously our payment processor. Make sense? And you're just going to select the one that you've got. You're then going to select to add to a list, and then you're going to pick the list. I know that Ben isn't keen on the double opt-in, and I'll show you what I mean by that in a minute. I personally, I don't hate it. I don't think it's the best, but this video's another option. Keep saving as you go along, and then I'm going to go to general, and this is the most important part of all of this. This is where you're going to then add your affiliate URL. And I'm not going to obviously add my own one, but this is where I'm just going to add one just to show you. So this would be my affiliate URL. Make sure there's no spaces or anything at the end, because if there is, it won't be a true value, and that's it. So then you just go and click save. I'll go back and just take that out just so I don't leave that in there. Click save, and then you're pretty much there, because you've now got this video playing. It's a little teaser video with a little bit of training from Ben. It's then offering them to go and watch the full training, which is that little snippet's taken from the 4 part. Again, you could take a little snippet out of the webinar. You know, Ben's not going to mind. I don't think anyone would mind if it's going to push affiliate sales for you. And you could drop that in there as well and edit it in the middle of the video. Alternatively, the second, where is it now? This second one here I've created is just slightly different. Let me just try and show you. So let me just save that. And you're pretty much nearly done. Obviously, all you're going to do is keep, go and test yourself. Go into your own thing, watch the video, click on the button, enter your details. If your integration is all sorted correctly, and obviously in your integration in GetResponse, Aweber, whoever you've got in your campaign, that the first email goes out instantaneously and it's got the PDF attached, or sorry, not the PDF attached, sorry, it's got a little welcome email, and the welcome email really should send them again to the 4-part opt-in. Okay, and why that is because obviously someone would have gone from here when they click next to here. Okay, now as Ben said, there are some people that may be turned off at that point. They've so I just want to make sure that you follow the process here. So they've come here, they've watched a little teaser video, they've clicked this button, they've entered their name and email, and when they click the next step, it will automatically, if you're using this bridge page, automatically send them to here. Okay, now I believe there's quite a large percentage will still carry on and click yes, I want to go in, and they'll add their name and email, because this over here is a micro commitment that's kind of pushed them towards, well, I want more. So when they land on here, I don't believe it has a massive effect. It does have an effect, I'm not going to deny that. So they should add their name and email, but if they don't, your follow-up email that should be emailed automatically to them from your GetResponse, Aweber, Infusionsoft, or Actionetics should say, great, thanks for entering your details and showing your interest in Instagram training or Instagram Millionaire Mafia. I'm sure you signed up for the 4-part training. If you didn't, here's another link to do it. So it's another nudge to make sure that they follow through with what they were talking about. And I'll probably send out some emails so you can add them to your autoresponders as well. Hopefully that makes sense so far. So that's bridge page number 1. What I want to do now is I want to log out of here. Okay, so I'm just going to refresh this page. This will automatically play. Let's pause that. So what I want to try and do is show you that if you aren't already a ClickFunnels user, let's go and try on bridge page number 2. So I'm going to click that. Perfect. So
welcome to the ClickFunnels share page. If you were invited to this page.
So as you can see, this is now showing that I'm not a member already because I wasn't logged in. Now, obviously, if you're already a ClickFunnels account member, you just click add this funnel, okay, and it'll get you to log into your ClickFunnels account. If not, then you can just click here, enter your email and choose a password and create a free 14-day trial. That bridge page will automatically then get uploaded straight into your brand new ClickFunnels account. So it's pretty straightforward, okay? But I'm just going to click on add this funnel, and obviously you can see it's asking me for my login details, or Ben's login details. And as you can see, now I'm logged in again. It's doing the same thing. It's just queuing the funnel, the bridge page, and that will load in the next 10 seconds. Okay, so that's now downloaded again, same as before. View funnel, and the same process. You know, I'm not gonna bore you to death with showing you the same thing. I just want to quickly show you this page. It's very similar, but this is going to be sending them directly to. I'm sure this is a similar video. Yeah. So I think this is the one off the main website, but at the end it just takes them to a little tab that says enter your details below to learn more, and then when they click the pop-up, same thing, enter their name and email, and then in the next step we're going to then send them to the main home page. Now, I didn't say it on the last page. The key here for you is to get them to go to one of your affiliate URLs, okay? That's the whole key. Obviously, you want to capture their details, but you know the grand scheme of things is you want them to visit your affiliate URL. That then is cookied then to you, okay? So it doesn't matter if they go away and don't come back for 6 months, and you send them an email again in 6 months' time talking about the affiliate area or Millionaire Mafia. They're still cookied to you. Even if they go and find it somewhere else, then that is going to come back to you. Again, I'm going to add in here, this would be my my main website page. So once they've clicked that next step, bang, it's going to take them here, and as you can see at the top there, that's obviously got my affiliate ID, which will be your affiliate ID. You know, again, you know, that video probably needs changing, but you can put whatever video you want here. It's entirely up to you. You can do similar to what I did on the previous one. You can take a snippet, add it in between, just put the snippet there if you want. It's up to you. As long as we're not giving away too much, it's got to be a teaser. So I'm not going to click on any of these again. You kind of get the idea now. Once you've clicked on one and you've logged in, then they'll just automatically, you can click on 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, and they'll all, you know, it might take, go make a cup of tea, and it might take 10 minutes to upload them all into your ClickFunnels account, etc. So let's just quickly run through the number 3. Now again, I've thrown this together just to give you guys an idea of how this can work. It's a really cool quiz opt-in, and this is just, you know, it's my video, so this is the one that I'll be using, and I know that I'm going to be literally sending a document to Ben in a minute with the scripts, and Ben will reshoot this as well, so you don't need to have me on your video, but you can also do this yourself. So this page is all ready to go. You don't need to change anything here. And obviously this countdown clock is counting down. My video would have been playing, and at this point now is where I'm saying to them, click the button below. So yeah, go on, let's quickly watch this just to give you an idea.
Hey, it's Robert Murray here, and if you've been struggling to make at least $5,000 a month on the internet and you don't really know exactly what it is that you're missing or you're doing wrong, I invite you to take this quick 30-second quiz for free to find out exactly why it is you've been struggling, and more importantly, find the solution to fix that as quickly as possible. Also, when you complete the quiz, if you qualify, I'm also going to give you complimentary access to one of the greatest trainings that should really help kickstart the success of your business. So go ahead and click the button now, start the quiz, and I'll see you on the other side in just a minute.
So as you can see, that's a very quick video that I knocked together yesterday. It's not very good because I literally rushed it through. Just to give you an idea of what it is, down below the second video you'll see I've attached a download of that first script, and then you'll see what happens now. So I've added some questions here So these are little micro commitments that these people are making. They've clicked the start the quiz button. Now we're asking them some questions about them. So have you been trying to make money using Instagram for 6 months or more? Now again, it doesn't matter if they click yes or no. It's taking them to the next question. It's kind of irrelevant, but this starts making them think. Have you been trying to make money and earn commissions? It's common for people to feel frustrated, lost and overwhelmed. Does that describe you? Are you aware of the Instagram viral Instagram mastery secrets? And again, Chris is going to put together a little PDF with 4 or 5 little nuggets which we can name, and we can change the name. It doesn't matter. I just made that up. So are you aware of the viral Instagram mastery secrets that prevent 90% of people from making a full-time income on Instagram? No. Okay, so it's analysing their response. Please be advised this may take a few seconds. Show me why I'm not making at least $5,000 per month using Instagram right now. Okay, so whether they answer yes or no, it doesn't matter. They're going to arrive here. Okay.
Hey, it's Rob again, and I think we've found the problem. It appears that you've got no idea about the viral Instagram mastery secrets. So there's no wonder you've been struggling all this time. Now, don't worry, I wasn't aware of this myself for 4 years, and being oblivious to this cost me over $20,000 before I even made my very first sale with Instagram. But now I understand the Instagram algorithms, and I want to show you exactly why it is that you're struggling and get this information in your hands as well. I believe you deserve the truth. So once and for all, it's time for the viral Instagram mastery secrets to come out. Now, all I need you to do is complete the quiz by entering your email address below, and I'm going to send the viral Instagram mastery secrets for free, and I'll give you the details on the very next page. So just enter your email address below, and we'll see you on the other side.
Okay, so at that point they're going to put their email in, and they're just going to click on this button, and away they go over to the main website. Okay, so it's just a nice way to get them interactive, engaged. Now, ideally, you want your face here. You want your video here. If you're, a bit scared of doing videos, etc., I understand that. I'd challenge you to do it anyway. You can just use Ben's. Once Ben's is up there, you can use that as well. It's entirely up to you. And again, tweak the scripts. The idea is that it's got a time with the timers, etc. This one is quite a complex page I've thrown together here. So if you need any help on the editing side of it, then just please let me know. This one here is just Ben's previous Lambo one. Nice and simple, nice and straightforward. Discover the shortcut to over 33,416 per month on Instagram. Enter your details here and bang. And that, again, when you're editing that, you're just going to go into the settings and put in general. Let me show you on here again, just so I keep, the more times I tell you that this is the most important bit. And then you're going to be adding let me take that out of there. Adding your URL in here. That's going to force them, once they've opted in, to go through to your affiliate URL. Okay. Number 5 is not so much of a bridge page. I suppose it is, but it isn't. This is my personal bonus page. This is what I am starting to promote Millionaire Mafia with. And as you can see here, this will be me talking about the bonuses I'm offering people. Now, this is just a bribe. This is me trying to bribe someone who's potentially interested in learning about Instagram and Instagram training, that if they buy through my URL and my affiliate link, I'll give them a load of bonuses. And I talked about this on one of my Facebook Lives the other day. And for those in the Millionaire Mafia community that commented on my Facebook Live and got involved, I've sent them the bonuses already. I'm happy to give everyone in the community the bonuses, and I'm also actually happy you can have this bonus page. Again, this will download into, change the logo, change the colors, but you can kind of see that you're going to do your own little bonus video. So it's just going to be you talking over the top of this page. And then you're going to do your own walkthrough inside the dashboard. Okay, and that's the training dashboard, the members area. Be very careful what you reveal. We don't want to be giving too much away, but scrolling through is going to give someone that little, tease that makes them think, well, actually, I really need to buy this now. You're just covering some of the subjects that Ben covers in the videos, and you're just giving them a little teaser. So as you can see down the bottom here, these are my bonuses that I'm offering. Bonus 1, blog traffic. I'm not going to show you the bonuses. You'll be able to see those on the pages. And I also offer them the last minute bonus, which is all of these bridge pages. Okay, it's endorsed by me. So you can, if you want, it's up to you, you can pretty much duplicate this page. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so again, when they click here, so my positioning here is if you buy the product, then you can email me at support@funnelsqualified.com and I'll send you the bonuses. So I'm giving these people, I believe it's $1,500 worth of value in bonuses and my time. So I'm clearly bribing them, and I say it in the video, not as bluntly as that, but I kind of make sure that they understand that. And obviously I want to send them to the web class. And in the video here, I tell them, look, go and watch yesterday's replay. Don't wait. There's a special offer that Ben's just put together. I don't know how long it's going to be available. Go and watch it now. So again, obviously I'm capturing their data first. Now this is where the double opt-in element that obviously Ben and a few of the guys don't like comes into play. But I'm clearly saying to them, I need to grab your details and then you can go through to the web class. So they know what they're doing. They know that they're going to click this button, they're going to give me their info, and then they're going to go through to the webinar registration page. So it's entirely up to you. But I do this on all of my affiliate promotions. I get lots of people who email me afterwards after they purchase saying, great, I want the bonuses. It may just nudge some of those people who are sat on the fence over towards purchasing your package. And that's pretty much it. Number 6 is... let me just see if I've got... So, number 6 bridging page that I'm literally in the middle of building right now. So, number 6 is going to be a very simple, just... So, excuse my crude drawing on this little whiteboard template drawer. So, number 6. I'll speed up the little drawing aspect because that took me quite a while. Is going to be just a very simple video, similar to what we had on those previous pages, like this. So it's going to be a very similar first page, but the video is going to talk about the 5 nuggets that Ben has to teach them. So as soon as they've clicked on this button, the same thing will happen. They'll get the pop-up where they enter their name and email. Brilliant, you've got their data, you've got them in your database to remarket to later on down the line. They'll automatically then get sent straight to the next page, which will be very similar, but this will be Ben giving them a very short, sharp little bit of training. So it's going to be 5 quick little nuggets, 10-15 minutes worth of training. It's going to be short, sharp, punchy, and to the point. Okay. And at the end of this video, he's going to say to these people, look, before you go and implement these 5 strategies, don't do anything yet. So it's kind of a bit of a, whoa, hold on. I need you to go and click, and then this button will appear below. And Ben's going to say, look, before you do any of it, I need you to go below, click on the button and go and watch my 4-part training, because you've got to do these 4 things before you implement these 5 tips. And when they click on that, that's going to send them then to... It's actually very hard to draw with this kind of thing with a mouse, but we're getting there. So yeah, just to finish off, so he's going to give them some training straight away. They've had a little teaser here. They've signed up, given you name and email. Then they've gone straight here instantly and watched his little live, or not live, his little 5-tip nuggets, 10, 15, 20 minutes max. And at the end of it, he's given them a bit of a warning. Before you run off and implement this, I need you to click this button and go and watch the really important 4 parts, or the 4 bits that you need to do before you implement this. So then they're going to go to the 4-part opt-in. Okay. Now again, you could, if you wanted to, we could do a couple of different variations on that, where I think we are actually. I think we're going to do a similar type of opt-in page here, but it's offering a free PDF, which will then still send them to this free training where Ben's teaching them what's actually in the PDF. But obviously, don't forget this important part. Sorry, I'm laughing at myself because obviously I'm going to fast forward this bit, but my 3 is pretty is pretty crude. So the important part of all of this. So we'll probably build 2 different versions. One where it's a teaser video into Ben's mini training, that you can then add the 4 part at the end of that. Again, if you're worried about that being too close to a double opt-in, which I don't believe it is, but that's fine, you can then just use the second version. It'll be a little teaser straight to Ben's training, and we'll just change the ending. Instead of him saying, look, you've got to do the 4 part now, it'll just be him saying, you need to do the 4 part. We'll send you that out by email tomorrow. So email 1 would then be the little PDF saying, you know, did you go and watch this training? So it's kind of sending them back here. Yeah. Email 2 could then be, which will be day 2, could then send them here. And then email 3 would be doing the same, which would be a different email, and so on and so on. Email 4, email 5. Yeah? Hoping that makes sense. So, you know, again, these are not hard and fast. You know, all these pages, all these videos that we're working hard to try and get to you guys, you can modify yourself. You can, you know, again, you could use your own video here, a little teaser explaining what Ben's going to give them. Then put Ben's little 5 tips training here, and then either send them there or do it through the email sequence. You could do whatever you want here. You know, we're just trying to give you as much as we can, just to make sure that you guys are firstly capturing the data so it goes into your database, and secondly driving affiliates to this, which is your affiliate URL. Okay, that's the most important part. This is the key to all of this. Sorry, that's my very crude. It's really hard to draw with your mouse. So I hope that makes sense. So down below, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a very quick video just talking you through how you can obviously do some branding on the quiz video, and there are the 2 quiz scripts. If you click on that, it will download the script as a PDF, and how to do it, how simple it is to do it. And also, once we've done the PDF, then I recommend, and we're going to probably put a spot on there, that you put your own image on there, you put your details on the PDF, because again, what happens, unfortunately, is let's say we're using the quiz funnel. So the quiz funnel, obviously this is the second part of the quiz funnel, and let's say this is Ben's video. The first part, they answer all the questions, then the second video is Ben again. Now, what you've got to be mindful of is then, if then this was the quiz part here, if they then get that first email and it's then from you, Dave Johnson, there's a potential where they could go, hang on a minute, that Ben Oberg is selling my information. And it's something that me and Chris talked about before, that we've had issues with in the past, where it just doesn't seem congruent. So that's why I feel personally you'd be better doing the video yourself, and we need to brand the PDF so that they understand that you are the person that's promoting and who is affiliated with Ben. When we've got a bit more time, I think what would be really, really good, and I've spoken to Ben about this, is this 5 tips video here. What would be a great idea, as you can see, I shortened the U there because I'm getting bored of trying to write it. So again, this won't be straight away, but my idea that I spoke about with Ben the other day is that we can shoot, or get Ben to shoot. So this is now, they've watched a little teaser video, they've entered their name and email, they come through to this page, and this is this video. So this box is a video. Now on the right hand side will be Ben doing a generic like an interview, and this is going to be you. So what we're going to do is give you the questions that you're going to be asking Ben, and these are going to be about the 5 nuggets, and then Ben's going to do a generic video where he's answering all of those questions in a certain amount of time, and he's never going to mention your name, but it's going to be like you guys are literally on a live call. Yeah, so it should feel like you're both on a live call. Now, how powerful is that if this tips video has got you with the Millionaire Mafia founder doing a little live interview? And I noticed, I missed it the other day, Billy's video, he did a Be Live with Ben. It's going to be the same kind of thing. But Ben's never going to be mentioning your name because he can't go through 500 people and do a video saying Ben, Rob, James, Simon. So if he keeps it very generic and he's just responding, so with the first one we ever do would be live, so maybe it would be me and Ben and we do it live, and then we would then send you a script. I know you don't need it, but I'm quite ADHD, as you're probably aware. This would be the script saying this first portion here at don't like threes at 30 seconds after the little intro. So you would introduce Ben, and then Ben would do his own little intro. Let's say, just for example's sake, 30 seconds. You're going to ask Ben this. So Ben, what's the best way to use hashtags? And then you then know for that next, let's say, 2 minutes, Ben is taking over. He's giving you the answer to this. And then at 4 minutes 20, all right, just ignore that. I know it doesn't look good. 4 minutes 20, that's when you ask the next question, because in the first original one that Ben was finished at 4 minutes 40, and that's where you jump in and go, yeah, no, absolutely, Ben, that's really good. So my next question is, does that make sense? I hope it does, and I think that will just be so powerful for all of you to align yourself with Ben. Then this eliminates any issues with them getting an email from you, Robert Murray, and them going, hang on a minute, that was that video up there, well, that was that Ben guy. Who's this Robert Murray? If they start clicking on spam in your email, then that can really cause you trouble and problems down the line, and I don't want that to happen. I know Ben doesn't. So this won't be instantly, this is going to be over the next couple of weeks, but I think, I hope you agree, that would be really powerful. Oh, last but not least, I don't know if I mentioned earlier, I'm kind of losing track, I'm on 38 minutes of this video already. I haven't run it by Ben, and if he tells me I can't, then I'll cut this out of the video. But I'm happy for you guys, Millionaire Mafia members only, and I stress this, I'm happy for you to use my bonus page, and if you don't have bonuses that you can give away, if you have, great, just replace them out, edit this, and you give your bonuses. If you don't have any bonuses that you can give right now, I'm happy for you to use my bonuses. I'll send you, you'll have to, again, read this, you will have to email me at support@funnelsqualified.com, and I'll send you an email template that gives them bonus 1, bonus 2, bonus 3, bonus 4, bonus, I need to change that, bonus 5 and bonus 6. The only thing I've taken out of there that I give away is a 60-minute consultation with me. No offense, guys, I can't give you all of that 60-minute consultations for your clients, because that's just going to, absolutely bombard me. Happy for you to use them. If you've got your own, then ignore that. If you want to use them, email me before you start using the page, because I don't want to start getting bombarded from people saying, oh, I've got 5 people that have signed up and they need the bonuses now. Okay, I think we're pretty much there. Any questions, fire them in. Please, use this video as your training. Pause it, stop it, implement as you go. What I don't want is getting bombarded with lots and lots of questions about stuff that I've just shown you in this training video. That just doesn't make sense for me, Ben, Tequila, Chris, anyone. Okay, that's pretty much it. I think we're there. Any questions, just fire them over to me, and let's get rocking with the affiliate promotion.